Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Wednesday, August 9th, 2023. And today I'm talking about COVID-19 vaccine safety. And I'm going to be sharing a statement that was released by the International Coalition of Medicines Regulatory Authorities on July 5th, 2023, regarding safety information of the COVID-19 vaccine. This International Coalition of Medicines Regulatory Authorities brings together 38 medicines regulatory authorities from every region in the world, with the World Health Organization as an observer. Now, some of their key messages is that the virus keeps changing and revaccination may be needed to maintain protection against new variants. Evidence from the more than 13 billion of vaccine doses given worldwide shows that the COVID-19 vaccines have a very good safety profile in all age groups. By March 20, 2023, more than 13 billion doses of vaccines have been given worldwide. This includes hundreds of millions of messenger RNA vaccine doses given to children and pregnant women. Real-world data from vaccination campaigns show that the vaccines have a very good safety profile. The vast majority of side effects are mild and temporary. However, safety monitoring systems have identified some very rare occurring but serious side effects. These occur in less than 1 in 10,000 people. So, the reports of medical events after COVID-19 vaccination show that in most cases, the medical events were not caused by the vaccine. Now, this statement acknowledges that myocarditis and or pericarditis are rare side effects of the messenger RNA vaccines. They normally occur in younger males and resolve with appropriate treatment. They also acknowledge that these are complications from SARS-CoV-2 infection, and you're more likely to get myocarditis due to infection than to the vaccine. They also talk about misinformation and how false and misleading misinformation about the safety of the COVID-19 vaccines wrongly attributes unrelated medical events to the vaccines. There are so many false claims on social media that talk about COVID vaccines are to blame for excess deaths, when in many countries have had an increase in their deaths since the start of the pandemic. They also say that there's false information circulating on social media that the vaccines cause immune impairment, and this is causing surges in many types of other infections, including infections in children. There is no evidence that the COVID vaccines cause immune impairment. According to this regulatory group, there is evidence that the virus causes immune impairment, especially in patients with severe COVID-19. Now, they say false information has also attributed serious health problems to messenger RNA vaccinations, such as blood clots and strokes, when these are known complications of natural SARS-CoV-2 infection. Now, reports of deaths following vaccination are very rare, and the fact that deaths do occur after vaccination does not mean that the vaccine caused them. Long-term safety data from the COVID-19 vaccines are very reassuring. There's strong evidence that the vaccines have saved lives, and evidence is emerging that long COVID is less likely to develop in people who have been vaccinated. I will conclude my key messaging from these reports by sharing that this report says it is very important to ensure that sources of information on vaccine safety are reliable and take into account the latest research. People should use trustworthy sources of information to make their informed decision making. So again, I'm sharing this report. I haven't reported on this yet. I will include the link. You can read it. There's more to it than I referenced here. You can check it out for yourself. That's my message today. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of hateful comments by viewers, but that's okay. That's my message. Take care and be well.